Once you have downloaded the course files, you can upload all the files with this extension to your Google Drive account. I recommend creating a dedicated folder for this course. I made one called Pre-Manim. You'll need to repeat the following process for each file. Add a code block like this, where we'll run the commands needed to install Manim's dependencies. In the video description, I'll leave a link to the Manim CE documentation so you can copy this command. Paste the command into the code block you just created and run it by pressing Shift and Return at the same time. Now, you just need to wait until all the dependencies are installed. This can take a few minutes. In my case, it took almost 4 minutes to install everything. At the end of the installation, you'll see this window. Don't click the Restart Session button until the text here indicates that the installation is complete. Don't worry about this error message, it's normal. Now you can run this block to import Manim. Perfect. You can now run all the code blocks. Again, you'll need to repeat this process for the other 5 files. With this, you're ready to start the course.